It's a beautiful sunny day, but it's extremely cold. It's currently at minus 16, guys. Extremely cold. Well, let's make some breakfast today. I already got my water boiling here for my potatoes. And I got my settings. I'm going to use one red potato, use some fresh herbs, 2 eggs poached, got my strawberries, and a spicy sausage. Don't have any multigrain bread, but I'm going to use a non bread. Now, let me get the potatoes, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to cut my red potatoes into potato wedges. So drop my potatoes and blanch them. In the meantime, I'm going to chop my fresh herbs. So my potatoes are almost ready. So I'm going to do my sausage, add my potatoes in the pan, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven to finish it off. So I need some oil. Fresh herbs. Salt. A pepper. And some oil. Flip my sausage. I'm just flipping it over so I can get a nice crust on the potatoes. And then I'm going to throw it in the oven. So I'm just going to transfer all this into one of my trays and get it in the oven. So while my potatoes in the oven, I'm going to get my water going for my poached eggs. Water and some white vinegar. So while my potatoes and sausage in the oven and my water is boiling for my eggs, I'm gonna get my plate ready. Cut my berries. While I have my things in the oven, I kind of do a little bit of stretching. All right, guys, get back into cooking. I got my water. It's gonna start boiling soon. I got my plate ready. And my potatoes are almost ready in the oven. I'm gonna grab my bread in the oven. Drop my eggs. Okay, so now that everything's ready, I turned off my eggs. Got my sausage and my potatoes are ready. It is time to plate. My eggs. So here it is, guys. I know you're hungry. Do yourself a favor. Make a meal like this, and I'm sure you can do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and look for more cooking ideas. Thank you, and you have a great day. Pretty damn good.